Welcome to Red to Green Trading, quick no-hype stock picks for the week based on real data. Let's get into it. Nvidia is holding a strong uptrend. It's above both the 50 and the 200-day moving averages. With RSI above 82, that's high, so a pullback is possible. MACD is still bullish, so I'm watching for potential continuation after a breather. My suggested buy zone is around 137 to 139. Tesla looks weaker right now. Price is sitting below its 50-day average and the trend has flattened out. RSI is under 47 and MACD is bearish. It's not a setup I'd enter this week, but worth keeping on the radar if it can reclaim that 320 level. Palantir is still in a long-term uptrend, but short-term momentum is mixed. RSI is around 55, MACD is bearish, and volume has dropped off. I'm not buying this week, but if it dips to the 130 area, I might consider a swing entry. Next up, we're going to talk about this week's top scoring stocks. These are tickers flagged by my system with a score of 2.5 or higher, based on trend, momentum, and indicator alignment. Most are better suited for long-term entries, but some may offer short-term swing potential. Duke Energy, score 3.5, strong uptrend, RSI around 59 and bullish MACD. One of the cleanest setups this week, best for long-term entry or low volatility swing. Entry zone 114 to 116. Gilead Sciences with a score of 3.5. We've got a bullish MACD crossover, strong structure above the 50-day moving average, and an RSI sitting at a healthy 52. This one looks stable, best suited for a long-term hold or a base building swing trade. I'm watching for entries around 105 to 107. S&P Global, scoring 2.5. It's holding a clean uptrend, and while the RSI is creeping towards overbought, it's still in a safe range. Good candidate for a short-term swing, or even scaling into a long-term position. Ideal entry zone between 496 and 514. Charles Schwab, also with a score of 2.5. MACD is flipped bullish, RSI is at 65 and the price is comfortably above the 50 and 200-day moving averages. It's a bit extended right now, so I'd look to scale in gradually. Best for a shorter term swing, entry range around 87 to 88. Southern Company, score 2.5. This is a defensive utility stock in a steady uptrend. MACD just turned bullish, RSI is strong but not overbought, and we're eyeing a breakout above 93. It's a solid long-term hold with some short-term swing potential too. This week I'm staying cautious on the big names like Tesla and Nvidia. They're a bit stretched or indecisive. But Gilead Sciences and Duke Energy look strong. As always, none of this is financial advice. Do your own research before making any trades. Like and subscribe if this helped, and let me know what stocks you're watching this week in the comments. See you next time.